Today I'm going to show you how to use discount code on Trendyol to maximize your discount. First, go to Trendyol and basically log into your account and choose whatever thing you would like to buy. As you can see here on the top, there is a 20% off code which is called welcome 20, so make sure to use it or remember it. Here I'm going to write it down in this area so I can copy it. So let's do this, copy, and now we would like to buy something. So let's go and buy something. For me, I have chosen, for example, the sneakers, and as you can see, this is the seller and this is the original price. So the total of the sneakers are basically 262. Now, how can we use discount? First of all, there is the discount of free shipping, which is when you go over 100 Saudi Riyal, you will have 100 or 30 Saudi Riyal discounts, as you can see right here. Also, since we are applying the welcome 20 code, you will have -5 Riyal and minus 91.23 Saudi Riyal on the cart, which comes in total 165 Saudi Riyal. So there is a difference of 100 Saudi Riyal that we have saved only using the welcome 20 promo code.